Hi guys, welcome to Smart Invention TV. In today's video, we have combined amazing and unique new kitchen gadgets and smart home appliances essential for every homes, which you can buy today on Amazon or online. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
We love to take pride in the meals we cook, but cooking at home can be a lot of work. The mess, the time, and the endless search for the right kitchen tool can be frustrating and exhausting. Meet Prep Deck, your complete meal preparation system, designed for an efficient, tidy, and most importantly, enjoyable cooking experience. Prep Deck comes with 15 storage containers and a vast range of prepping tools that are cleverly hidden inside the unit, keeping things together, but at your fingertips when you need them. The included accessories replace your common kitchen tools, and they attach seamlessly to the containers, so it's easy to prep, measure, and store your ingredients all in one motion. Designed with both functionality and beauty in mind, Prep Deck's magnetic enclosure doubles as the perfect cutting board, and it's detachable for easy cleaning. An array of color options means you can customize your Prep Deck at any time to match your kitchen or personal style. There is a built-in storage tray for your knives and other utensils, and a sleek tablet and phone attachment is available, making for easy access to your favorite recipes. Whether you cook often or occasionally, follow a recipe, or simply prep on the fly, we designed Prep Deck to support the way you work in your kitchen. And by the way, that storage tray, it's also a trash container. Whether you're the next master chef or new to the kitchen, whether you cook for one or many, Prep Deck saves you time and space and stress by giving you everything you need to prepare delicious meals in one streamlined and beautiful system. It's time to bring back the joy of cooking with Prep Deck.
From the makers of the world-famous NutriBullet comes the next innovation in food preparation. Introducing the Veggie Bullet, the world's first patented food cyclonic spiralizer and food prep accelerator. It's the one-button kitchen miracle that can turn nutrient-rich foods into gourmet meals in no time. Spiralize a zucchini in seconds. Or how about a sweet potato? One-touch squash pasta. Did you know that spiralizing food actually creates more cooking surface so you can cook up to 70% faster? And spiralized noodles absorb all that great flavor from sauces and spices. Create nutritious family meals every single day. It's the savory and delicious way to get healthy and have more energy. A gluten-free, low-calorie pasta can even help you lose weight. That's right, guilt-free pasta really is back on the menu. Prepare all kinds of 5-star restaurant recipes like Asian noodles and shrimp, the most amazing spaghetti and meat sauce recipe your family has ever tasted, and the family favorite, curly fries for 4 in less than 1 minute.
As a mother, I feel really good using the Veggie Bullet because I know my kids are getting what they need.
Yeah, it has its own little spot on the counter now. It's right by the oven, like all of our appliances have a spot. It's nice and sleek looking. The thing that we were surprised with the most was how fast it did everything.
Watch this. With just a simple twist, lift off the spiralizer and snap on the Chopper Slicer Accelerator for the fastest slicing and shredding you've ever seen. Sliced beets, sweet potatoes, onions, and carrots, faster and more perfectly with no bruised knuckles or cut fingers. Even slice apples for the perfect deep dish apple pie. Now watch how easy this is. Just flip the blade over and shred mountains of cauliflower rice for cauliflower crust pizza. Or shred cabbage for pickled coleslaws in 20 seconds. Forget about slaving all day chopping and slicing. Veggie Bullet cuts tedious prep time by up to 80%. Make garden-fresh gourmet salads, spiralized, sliced, and shredded in seconds and ready to eat in minutes.
I have never been fond of the chopping and the cutting. If I could have an own personal sous chef, that would have been great. Now I have my own personal sous chef. It's called the Veggie Bullet.
The shredding component of the Veggie Bullet, you better hold on because when you press go, be prepared. It's so quick.
The time factor is phenomenal too, because now I will make an entire chopped salad in about 5 minutes. And it's this massive salad that I could serve to a table of 12.
Unlike big, bulky food processors with confusing interchangeable discs, blades, and multiple buttons, the Veggie Bullet is the simple, one-touch, multitasking kitchen miracle that takes up no more space than a toaster. So get your hands on the world's first cyclonic spiralizer that gives you perfect results every time. 3 functions, 1 machine. Spiralize, shred, slice. Up your kitchen game.
Fast in one pot. Introducing the Power Quick Pot from JML, a breakthrough innovation in kitchen technology that makes preparing mouth-watering home-cooked meals easy. Now you can make a weeknight dinner your whole family will love. Make pot roast in 25 minutes that tastes like it's been cooking all day. A whole chicken in 20 minutes that's fall off the bone tender. From frozen beef and beans off the shelf to your favorite chili in just 35 minutes. You would need to buy all of these appliances and more to do what the Power Quick Pot can. 1 countertop appliance that pressure cooks, slow cooks, sears, sautés, boils, steams, even perfectly cooks virtually every kind of rice in minutes with just the push of a button. Easy navigation, 37 one-touch cooking functions. This is not a crock pot. It's not Grandma's old pressure cooker. Cook IQ technology calibrates time, pressure, and temperature to cook any food to perfection. The 5-star reviews say it all. People love the Quick Pot. Imagine wings from frozen in 10 minutes that are tender and packed with flavor. 4 racks of ribs that are fall off the bone delicious. Creamy mashed potatoes in minutes. What's the secret? The airtight lid locks steam and flavor inside. It has nowhere to go but into your food. The automatic Keep Warm feature keeps your meals at the perfect temperature. There's even a delay feature, so you can prep before work and then set it to be ready when you get home. The cooking pot is stainless steel, so it's not only 100% chemical, PTFE, and PFOA free, it's also easy to clean. Go ahead and toss it right in the dishwasher. One touch for perfectly hard-boiled eggs that slip out of their shells. Creamy, rich cheesecake in 25 minutes. Preserve your fruits and vegetables with the canning feature. There's even a preset to make healthy homemade yogurt. You can even make hot, crusty homemade bread in minutes.
Warm, fluffy rice. But what is the secret to cooking it perfectly each time? Introducing the Cuckoo Rice Cooker, an easy solution for cooking delicious rice at your convenience. The intelligent cooking algorithm is designed to regulate temperature and adjust cooking time accordingly to ensure the best treatment for your rice. The versatile rice cooker has 10 unique menu options, including white, brown, GABA, porridge, and more. The unique My Mode feature provides you with full control over 16 rice textures and flavors. The Keep Warm and Reheat function keeps your rice ready to eat even hours after it finishes cooking. The durable inner pot has a 6-cup capacity and a non-stick coating. This allows you to cook enough for your family and easily clean up afterwards. With a lid locking device and automatic temperature control, Cuckoo puts your safety above all else. The long-lasting built-in battery that illuminates display time when unplugged does not affect the rice cooker function. With the Cuckoo Rice Cooker, making perfect rice has never been this easy.
The Presto Precise Digital Pressure Canner is the first electric canner to meet USDA guidelines for safely processing meats, poultry, fish, vegetables, and other low-acid foods. Plus, it doubles as a boiling water canner for preserving fruits, jams, jellies, pickles, and salsa. The automated digital process makes home canning easy. Proper processing temperatures are maintained automatically with no need to watch or adjust settings. Throughout the canning process, the innovative sensor automatically detects and holds the precise temperature required for confident pressure canning with no adjustments needed for high altitudes. For boiling water canning, the sensor detects the boiling point, activates the canning process, and automatically maintains the proper boil. The easy-to-use digital interface guides you through each step in the canning method from start to finish. The canner preheats the jars and keeps them warm until each jar is filled and ready to process. For pressure canning, the required venting is even programmed to remove air from both the canner and jars. And during processing, heat is held inside the canner, keeping your kitchen cooler. Experience simple, automated home canning with the Presto Precise Digital Pressure Canner.
vegetarians worldwide have spent years searching for the perfect knife, and now they found it with Voss. This ceramic, lightweight, and easy-to-use knife stays forever sharp. Slice and dice veggies in moments, cutting, not crushing. Standard stainless steel knives oxidize and blacken when cutting things like lettuce. Not with ceramic. This vegetarian blade is affordable and holds up to knives way above its price point. Plus, it comes with an elegant box so you can give it as a gift. Once you meet this vegetarian cooking companion, you'll never look back.
Hi, we're Chef Avenue, a brand that creates high-performance, beautifully designed, accessible modern cookware. For the past few years, we've been developing a set of modular and compact pans which are perfect for everyday use. We're excited to introduce you to OmniPan, the multifunctional silicone pan which lets you cook, bake, and steam with ease, and conveniently stack and store when done. OmniPan was created to be all about the taste. In order to ensure optimal browning, its height and thickness were specifically designed for uniform heat circulation. Unlike other old greasy pans coated in dangerous chemicals, OmniPan is made of 100% high-grade silicone, which is naturally non-stick and FDA approved. We've developed OmniPan with a sturdy frame, able to maintain form where other flimsy silicone pans can't. It's a breeze to clean, and its durability eliminates the need for single-use consumables. We've also designed a custom-fit transparent lid, allowing you to watch your food as it cooks. Each lid is equipped with dual steam vents, preventing moisture condensation and giving you full control over the cooking process. OmniPan is oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. We've made 2 different sets to fit all your kitchen needs: the starter set and the mega set. So, use it, stack it, store it. Join us in helping bring OmniPan to life.
Does your kitchen end up looking like a disaster zone? Fed up of having to scrub away burnt-on food? Introducing the revolutionary Grill Circle, the healthy and versatile 7-in-1 grill and griddle. Grill Circle's raised griddle bars and concave design lifts your food off the surface, so excess oils and fats can drain away from your food and escape through the outlets into the removable, easy-to-clean drip tray. The large capacity griddle gives you perfect sear marks on your food every time. And its unique featured flat frying zone makes it ideal for frying, boiling, and even steaming. Its premium non-stick surface means there's no need for any added oils or fats, meaning no extra fat, calories, or cholesterol in your food. Grill Circle's versatile design lets you grill, saute, boil, steam, fry, barbecue, even fondue. That's an incredible 7 ways to cook in one place. Set to the highest heat for searing succulent steaks, juicy chops, and tasty burgers. Or dial it down and use Grill Circle as a warming tray. And because it's non-stick, cleanup is done in seconds. Grill Circle is great for parties, with a huge capacity to cook more food in less time. And the stay-cool handles mean you can take it straight from the kitchen to the table. Bring the fun back into your cooking with the Grill Circle from JML.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.